What's up, guys? It's your boy Lightning Ninja. I'm right here. If you can see my hand, yeah, you can definitely see my hand. That's me. Okay, so that one's Diesel. These are my dogs. This one's Venny. Sven, actually. I just nicknamed him Venny because he's cute, and I want him to have a shorter name, like a tiny name. So these are my little dogs, Sven and Diesel. And today, what I'm gonna be doing with them is you're gonna see them do some tricks. Okay, so let me just get a milk bone. Also sponsored by Milk Bone. Buy them for your dogs. They're a nice treat for your dogs. They're good for your dogs. It's only like low calories and stuff. So that's the milk bone that I would offer you today. And so this is the treat I'm gonna be giving each one of them. Sven, sit. Okay, so hi paw. Okay, sit. Hi paw. Good boy. Okay, so that was our first treat. Now Diesel. Sorry about the lighting. It's just like this is in the morning. Diesel, lay down. Good boy. Okay, so now these two are very good because just look at him. Vinny. Cute eyes. Diesel. Cute eyes. Cute, right? And I just mean, look at these dogs. They're so unique. Dogs are so unique, you know. Okay. So let's go back to Sven. Sven, lay down. Good boy. Now Diesel. Diesel, up. Come on, come get it. Come get it. Come get it. Come get it. These two canines are just like amazing. Just look at them. They're cute. They're all you need. Look. They're so cute, right? Okay, so now this one goes to Sven. Sit. Lay down. High five. Good boy. Handshake. Good boy. Okay, so now Diesel gets one. That'll be the final for the day. Diesel. And catch! Oops. Didn't mean to do that. Diesel. Milk bone. Okay, so new plane. Ah, good boy. So that was me playing with my dogs, and I'll see you in the next one. Boys, say bye. Diesel, say bye. He's too busy.